And so what I think, to get back to the original question that you asked, what do agents do right now?
Yeah.
Be prepared for that. Is I think that you really need to be an expert in your area. Like you really need to know your numbers. You need to know where the market is going. You need to be an expert in that area, like what's going on in that
Mm.
neighborhood, what's going on in those cities that you're representing, so that when they come to you, you're not just, like anyone can go to Zillow or anyone can go to these websites
Yeah,
and
anyone can use an algorithm and give you whatever information.
yeah, like that's the easy part. But if you know, hey, the local restaurant down the street has this, and this is where you go, and this is your neighborhood, florist, and this is how you're going to get from this point to this point, and the public transit, and just more of like knowing your area and knowing the market. Look, we've had this much happen. These many homes have sold. These many homes are pending right now. This is how many is going, in this price range. This is kind of the drop that we've seen, or this is the
Mm.
price point where it seems like we're getting more activity, that kind of thing. The more expertise that I think that's going to lead the consumer back to the real estate agent and not just